Maximus Analysis here for September 9th, 2016, and you see that we had the big sell-off that we were looking at. The 2186 level held. It's been holding. Again, they flirted above it with 2191, but it held very, very well. And again, I'm not here to gloat or anything like that because I could have been wrong. But again, I just wanted to let people know why I'm not going to take a this is the breakout level. Again, I told you that we're going to come to the breakout level, and if things started really accelerating, short side, because again, a lot of people thought it was going to hold. I thought it might have hold the 2128 area a little bit, but think about it as this: if you took your breakout trade, you're in the money. You're going to roll your stop up to here, and just think about the way people think. They're going to roll their stop here to protect profits. Okay, flirted with it, didn't get there, and once they do it, so that once it breaks, that starts more selling than on top of what is causing this to get pushed down. So again, they cleared out they cleared out pretty much everything going back to the beginning of July in 1 week. And it basically came in mostly yesterday and today. So we'll continue to watch. And again, what I've been telling you on the newsletter, unfortunately, it takes patience in this game. And I was willing to just say, listen, I'm wrong, because I've been wrong. If you've been watching this channel, you know I've been wrong before, and I will not. It's a bitter pill, but I put my stuff out here to help people, and that's what it's all about for me. Again, it's not, again, I wouldn't do this many videos if I was looking to make some monetary gains on the videos. Again, I would probably be doing workout videos or something with a comedy or something like that. But this is to really, really sincerely help people with trading. And again, understanding that if you're wrong, that's fine. But I am not going to let the TV pundits or the herd mentality really get me into a long at that level. Now, I did go short, and I rolled my options today into the October puts. So I've been short a while. I've been short since August. And it's not the easiest, especially with such sideways movement, but I have a couple of good positions on right now that are going well, and we'll continue to watch. NQ gave up a lot due to, again, the big names got sold off, and we're looking more into this area and see what I have. I'm going to do some research this weekend, and of course get that newsletter out to you guys. See what we have going on into this price level for the NQ. Break of 18,000 for the Dow. And what I really want to watch again is when I start to feel like the world is ending, that's when it's going to be a buy, and it's painful. And again, everybody felt like the world was, they were going to go to 2,300 immediately. I am not calling any highs. I refuse to do it. I'm just saying the retracement is coming. Okay, be prepared for it. So you've had ample amount of times. If you're not on my newsletter, you need to get on it. I put a lot of work into it and give honest opinion. And again, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But it is what it is. So again, CL did something very, very nasty today. If you look at the weekly, you could see that based on people that chase, and this is the reason why I'm telling you not chase, we go to CL on a daily. A lot of people might have bought this candle. I'm like, you missed, even if you got here, and that's fine. But to buy here or wait for a breakout, again, they're going to come back and test some lower levels and shake out the weak hands, and then we'll look, and I will definitely let you know when the time is right to take another buy signal. Just isn't the case here. You had gold break back down. So again, this is also why I was told, and again, if you want, I promise you, I will send you the newsletter right now if you're not getting it, that I said we're going to wait till Thursday and Friday in last week's newsletter before we take a position, because I don't want to be the first out the foxhole. And again, these weekly candles, remember, this candle was fully blue, and now it's set up to a shooting star pattern and might go to the 1287.5 level that I want to go to, touch our trend line up, and maybe give us a nice little bounce in the next couple of weeks. I don't know how far we're going to go down, but again, my target is more 2093, 2050. We'll watch and see how it goes so far. Bonds broke down, again breaking down and getting to this key level. while you had the dollar, which is UUP, is still holding this level. So if it breaks up, it could mean more downside for the gold and oil market. So we'll continue to watch, and a bunch of other names kind of really. Um, so this is on Amazon. We had a level that we said 789.5. The high was 790, 80. Again, these levels are pretty serious. And they're rolling again. I'm looking to buy, but not right now. And again, I didn't short this one. I did short Google, and I've been holding that for a month, and it hasn't been easy. So again, I might take this one off depending on how quickly it comes down. It could even come down if it comes down like gangbusters on Monday or Tuesday, or even Wednesday of next week. I'm gonna watch because again, when everybody's wanting to dump into their shorts, I want to take my shorts off. When everybody wants to, get long, that's when I want to take my longs off. And I know that there's another trade, and I know I will get another opportunity. So that's really to look at. Again, Facebook, we had this 128 at 34 level, and again, I just haven't posted up. If you've been watching, again, I've been posting stuff. I'm just giving a shooting star, so I think we're pulling back into this area, and really we want to see how it bounces coming up into this defined trend line that we see right here. You had Tesla continuing to break down. I'm going to watch this name, maybe get to the 200-day moving average on the weekly to give a little pop up. We'll continue to watch it. Again, I'm fine with being a little bit late to these parties because, and I will start with a starter position and build it up after a while, so that I again have to manage risk both sides. You have Apple, again, continuing, again, breaking at the level that we said. We're watching off, again, if you have the newsletter. Again, I'm pushing this stuff because, again, it's a lot of damn work, man. Like, again, Sunday, most people are watching football, and I'm, putting my kids down and working my ass off to get this newsletter out to you guys by midnight or probably 6 a.m. that Monday. So you have Baidu as well. Again, shooting star. We said again that gap up. We want to see how things close, and it's a strong volume. So I think Baidu still has more downside potential to go, a lot more. We also said that we wanted to look at the British pound, and let me see if I could get it here. Yes. So we're saying that it still might have some more downside potential to go, and I also had that one on the newsletter as well. I would actually prefer it to pop up a little bit more, but I think it still has more downside pressure to go, and we'll really watch that one for next week. IWM finally gave a little halt to its craziness and gave us it took everybody out here, and coming back into this region of sell-off, it's actually coming and giving a bearish engulfing and taking. This one was really screaming while everything else was kind of doing its thing. You're looking at the bonds. You got the Z. Nope, that's not the bonds. This is still sorry, got this. Still is the British pound. Let's look at the euro. Again, that's still churning sideways, and we also have the Swiss franc that we're kind of looking to see if this one is going to continue down. Again, like I said, I do watch a lot of different things, and I have no problem with looking at a bunch of different things and looking at charts accordingly. Silver is breaking down. Again, it gave the engulfing pattern, but gapped up a little bit. And again, I'm saying to wait, even if I had to quote unquote chase a little bit. But again, let's see if it could come back to this trend line right here and give us a buy potential around 17. But this looked good going in. But again, the dollar and the overall markets really got the oils kind of messed up. And if we have the dollar move down some more, it's going to really mess the oils and the metals game up a little bit. So we'll continue to watch. Again, if you have any comments, questions, please comment below. Share, subscribe. Again, I put a lot of work into this stuff. I've been doing it consistently, so you guys get it every day. This is Friday, of course. I would love to be Michelob time, but I really sincerely care about the people that listen to what I do, because I don't want I want you to make sure you're not taking it for granted, but that I take this very seriously and I treat it like a business. and you should too as well. If you have any questions, you can email me at maximusanalysis@gmail.com. And if you have any comments, you want to see any names over the weekend, I will try to do some work for you guys during lunchtime on Monday. If you have specific names you want to look at, let me know. Take care, and see you on Monday.